welcome back to, just kidding. Hello everybody, welcome back to my universe. I'm 5. You always see my videos when I was like 4 and stuff.
You're 6.
Videos. Oh yes, I'm 6. These are the materials we have to bake cookies today. So we have an oil smoother, a glove, whatever this is. I think it's a napkin for the tray, some teaspoons, a mix, a roller, cookie cutters. So first, let's see what we got in here. So today we will be baking chocolate chunk cookies. See? Whoa! Let's just follow the instructions later. This is chocolate, you guys. Chocolate powder. Sugar. Who likes eating sugar? Who likes eating sugar with the strawberries? Comment down below. You guys. Oh. Baking powder. Sorry, baking powder. Some flour. I'm wondering if we'll need some eggs, milk, water, and butter. Do you think we'll need that? Comment down below if you do. Okay, let's get started. Mommy? You guys.
Fill it up to the half only. Good job.
That was perfect.
Good job, Ryan.
Oh no, shell. Oh, and you guys, always wash your hands if you touch raw yolk.
Perfect.
Goodness.
That's 1 tablespoon. Now you got to do half.
There? Okay, you guys, now let's be very careful. If you're too little to do this, just ask a grown-up to help you. Well, sorry about that. Well, first we press bake. What? Start baking. Here, let me just. Okay.
Push start.
Okay, it's starting, you guys. Okay, you guys. So, step 1 is wash hands and heat oven to 350 F. We already did that. So we're going to put the cup of oil. Be very careful, you guys. Right now, in here. Ooh. Oil is super wet. So, and it also makes you stick. So make sure you be careful with that, you guys. So it's actually sugar, oil, and sugar. Who likes eating sugar? I know all of you do. Well, some people don't, because some people don't want to get sick. That's way too much sugar. Just kidding, it's perfect. And gently mix. Okay, gently mix. Just mix, you guys. If you wanted to make another cookie, just gently mix right now. Ooh, it looks like lemonade, you guys, or ice melting. Mix well. It kind of looks like an eyeball, you guys. Let's just mix well, until there's no lumps. That's what I think is mix well, until it's nice, light, and fluffy. This is hard, but I do want to be a baker when I grow up. Making cookies right now. Oh, it looks so fluffy. Yep, it's so fluffy. I just love touching flour, you guys. I don't know why. You can touch it. Make sure just you don't play with it that much, or else you'll have to wash your hands. But washing your hands is also good. Don't eat flour when it's raw. Just can't. It's super fluffy though. Hey, baking powder. Baking powder? Yes, don't worry. That was just something in turn out. Oh, Slimy, I shouldn't have done that. Well, that's okay if you do. It's not so tiny. Ready? I think it's this side. Yeah, it's different side. Cocoa. I never felt cocoa. What does it feel like? Hey, it feels softer than flour. Look at you guys. It looks like snow with some trees and dirt. It looks so cool. It smells so great. Yeah, I'm trying to use all my muscles, you guys. When I'm done with this mixing, I need a nap after this. Just kidding. I have my breakfast, chocolate waffles. Let's just continue on mixing. Have this lovely talk. Me and my family have been thinking about what it looks like. We ended up with something funny, but my mom thought it looks like Play-Doh. Make sure you don't spill any of this, you guys. And pour. Okay, slowly pour in the chocolate chip. So here's the opening. This is a white chocolate chip. Let's eat it. Just good. Okay, it says slowly pour. Oh.
That's not gentle.
Oh no. Oh no. Did you guys hear my dad? His dad. Time for the fun part, you guys. No, it's not sniffing, you guys. It's not sniffing. You have to get all of the dough. Well, not all. Just half a tablespoon, okay, you guys? Please. But if you want to make them giant cookies, use all of it, or just use a lot. Or we shouldn't put in the sugar. I think it's perfect.
Good job.
Actually, I don't want too much chocolate chips. I think this is good. I'm going to make different sizes. I'm like the teacher. This one has none. It's okay. It's okay if yours has none. And we are going to have to wait for 10 minutes. Okay, you guys? Give a shout out also to Uncle Randall, Auntie Carrie, and Dr. Ronnie for being a member of this video. And to the Minos, too. So thank you very much, and thank you for giving me all these items to cook. I couldn't have done this video without you, so thank you very much. And we're all going to wait for 10 minutes now. Goodbye. So you guys, we waited for 10 minutes. And while we were, I'm finishing up my lunch. Now I was eating French fries and chickens. Well, let's not waste our time because stop crying, you guys. We're getting to the end. And let's eat the cookies. Oh, well. They're really messy, but really good. You guys, gotta try this at home. If you don't have them, or you have some chocolate chips, go ahead and make them. Goodbye, you guys. Peace out. I have my little partner here, my mom and my brother. Oh, he's to the 5 months. He's little 5 months. Little 5 months. Little 5 months. Little 5 months. He's so pretty. So we'll see you when you get all the bowls and stuff.
Okay.
Ready. Hold on. Hi, everybody.